got choppers? Who's got top choppers? Who's got top choppers? Oh, who's a big boy who's got teeth? Who's a big boy who's got some teeth? You say hello, camera. Hello. Hello. Are you being camera shy? Who's your big boy? Look at those big teeth. Look at those big teeth. Yes? What, are you trying to make Cloverfield? Uh-oh. You know what's gonna happen now? You know what's gonna happen now? I'm gonna tickle you! Okay, no more tickling. No more tickling. You're just so cute. You're just so cute, I can't help it. Oh, I'm gonna be sad when you're a big boy. When you're a big 15, 16-year-old boy and you don't want me to tickle you anymore. That'll be sad. So I'm gonna enjoy it while it lasts. Say bye-bye.